Hey guys, I know it's been a while. So I have a surprise for my really old subscribers that used to watch like all my vlogs when I didn't have to work so much. I am going away tomorrow and I will be recording it. I'm not too sure how much we'll get, but it's a much needed break and vacation. And it's about a little bit over 3 hours where we're going, so whoa. Um, yeah, it's just me and my girlfriend. So, uh, the main reason we're going over is for an air show, but um, that's this coming weekend, and yeah. So I just want to know. I want you guys to know that vlogs are returning. I'm not too sure how much I'll have, but I know I haven't been really posting much of that stuff for a while now. It's just my life is wake up, drive to work, go to work, and come home. That's it. I don't do anything fun except for Friday nights. I go to the race. That's it. That's it. You can tell how my eyes. I'm pretty tired. I'm really tired. I look almost black. Wow. Anyways, just want to let you guys know. Um, right now I really don't sound excited because I'm really tired. But tomorrow it's gonna be really exciting. I hear a cop. There was one sitting outside across my street in the parking lot like an hour ago. Must be the same one. Go get him. Anyways, a lot of speeders down here. Anyways, I don't want to make this too long, but um, yeah, that's my life right now. Oh, there is an update with my niece. If you remember, she had cancer. If you just caught that, I said she had cancer. She's been cancer free for 2 months now. 2 months. But she'll have to get scans every 3 months, which is coming up in July. So, yeah, there's a big update. I don't think I made a video on that. Sorry, guys. But yeah, she's cancer free now. So that's good. My grandmother passed away from cancer this winter, so that sucks. My last grandmother, so it really got to me. Other than that, yeah, I'm looking forward to just doing fun stuff, seeing something different for once. I drive 2 hours a day for work, so it's always the same thing. So it'll be nice just get away. Hopefully World War III doesn't start while I'm there. So yeah. So I'm not too sure when I'll start posting. As soon as I get home, probably. I'll probably post the airshow stuff first, then I'll do the other stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower and hit the bed, hit hay, because I gotta. Something's going on. But yeah. Anyways, have a good night.